wife. The king has found himself a wife. I don't know, but two of you, first, I'll start from you. Did you expect this ending?
No. Wait.
Please don't pass out. Thank you.
Wait. Okay. Like,
you have 30 seconds.
I wasn't expecting this, okay? But like, cause upon all the comments that have been coming, like, he really showed me that it's not all about like cooking and all that, but it's all about the heart, baby. I can learn for you what you want to eat. I'll cook it for you, baby.
Okay. That's about it. Okay, so now you are Bomaye's property, right? You agree? Thank you very much. Oh, King, how are you feeling now?
Man, it's like 1,000 tons has been lifted off my heart.
Finally.
I'm excited. Finally.
Now we can't say it's platonic anymore because tonight two of you are all right. So this is.
Now let the party begin.
Now let the party begin. That's what he says. Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know. I'm speechless for a second there. You know, I didn't. It was a leap of faith. You understand? And if it's one thing that I've been told is, you know, fight for your love. It doesn't matter what the outcome is. It doesn't matter what's going on. Just follow your heart and fight for your love.
Wow. I am awed. I am blown away.
What a twist.
Abena.
What a twist. You guys got me all saying, wow. Interesting. We are live in Ghana right now. This is the grand finale of the I'm in Love with Bomaye reality show. And today we've been really thrown off track because I wasn't expecting this at all. This is interesting.
That's right. I have been blown away.
Oh, see, she's showing me her ring.
Yes,
look at you.
It is indeed the grand finale, and it has been a grand occasion. I have been totally blown away, confused. I thought I was about to surprise you, but they ended up surprising me. Weren't you surprised?
Oh, trust me, I was. You should have heard me.
13 weeks of long, hard, tiring, sleepless nights has finally paid off for him and for her, and most definitely for you viewers all around the globe.
And for those of you who can't hear Promsy right now, she's shaking and she's like, oh God. Yes, so that's for you.
All the ladies, all the evicted maidens, all these three ladies, including the king and his newly found bride, are going to be at Club Evasion at Christie's. The after party is happening at Club Evasion at Christie's, just down the road from here.
Yes. And we're live on Multi TV right now, Senior Freak and Real TV on a Multi TV Digibox. And this has been a wonderful show. Thanks to Access Media Productions for such a great concept, and thanks to Multi TV for partnering to bring this to you today.
Absolutely. Together with Abna, we want to say thank you for staying with us 13 long, hard, sleepless weeks.
Yes.
And want to say thank you to the king for giving us your time.
Thank you.
Want to say thank you to Promsy for being there and saying yes to the king. It's such a mark of true Ghanaian culture.
Yes.
You didn't go after the money, you went after your heart and went after your man. I want to say thank you to all the maidens up here, the maidens who were evicted. You guys have done such a swell job, and God bless you. And I honestly hope when you go out there, there are lots of guys waiting to put this ring on those fingers. And so from Abna and I here at the Men's Vic Grand Hotel, we want to say thank you very much for coming out. For those of you all around the world, thank you for voting. Thank you for watching. Watch out, the next season is off the chain.
And coming on stage right now is the wonderful Akosia Japan. Give her a great round of applause right now.